Hello, this will be a demo of how to generate a PowerPoint slides using VBA code. So for example, we have this text file which has some text content in 2 different languages, and we are going to lay it out slide by slide the way we want it in the final PPT file. So the first paragraph will come in one slide, and then we have a blank line, and then the second paragraph will go into the next slide, and so on. We have all this text, and then we have a PPT-M file, which is a PowerPoint file with macros. So we have to enable the macros. Macros are basically VBA code, Visual Basic Code, that will do some processing. So we have to go to the developer tab. If you don't have it enabled, you can set it in one of the options. And then we have to open the Visual Basic editor. So here we already have some code imported, and the create PPT module is the one that starts the processing. We have some settings here. You can see the slide width, height, and then which file to read it from, which file to read the text from. And we also have some parameters like the font size, the font name, font color. So you can change these and regenerate it based on your preferences. So here in the PPT file, we have a template slide. So this is with some picture and with some text. So you can set the picture that you want, and then we simply have to press F5 or run. So run the main create PPT function, and then you can see that it has generated the slides on the left here. So, and this is the text that is coming from the text file, this file. So it basically just copies it slide by slide, paragraph by paragraph. And there you go. And let's say we wanted to change the text to white. We can try white here, and maybe we want the font size smaller, so 25, and then just regenerate it. So we can see it changed, and when you are satisfied, you can just go to file and save it as a PPTX file, which is a file without this additional code. So you can use that for your presentations. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.